Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today we're going to be going through 4 lava lamps and a mystery box. I've had this mystery box actually sitting outside. It was delivered to the other side of my house, so I didn't even know it was out there. I think it's been out there probably a few weeks. I mean, the birds even got into it. So hope everything's okay. It hasn't really rained lately, so the box feels good. So hope the box is okay. But a lot of people were curious about the lava lamps that I had, so I decided, why not show those off in a quick video, since this box is going to be pretty quick. So they are Kiss lamps. They're all different colors. There's 4 different ones. I don't know all the correct names. This is a blue one. You can see. I'm sorry, I don't know his name. I know Catman and I know Gene Simmons, but after that, Paul Stanley. But I don't know which one it is. That Paul Stanley? I should probably learn their names since I'm going to be listing a lot of Kiss merchandise. Or is this Paul? Pretty sad you didn't know the leader of the Kiss group, huh? Sorry, Kiss Army. It's my bad. This is the purple one. Here's the Catman. You can see they are all sealed. Listed them at $200 each. I put a 15% discount, so it'll be up there like $175. I don't really know what to list them at. There wasn't really any comps. There was a few open ones online, but nothing really sold recently. And here is, of course, Gene Simmons. And like I said, they are completely sealed. Got this from my toy guy, I believe, like 2 hauls ago. I just didn't want to list them because then I'd have to ship them, and they are super heavy. Oh, let me put a rule. Let me show you how big these guys are there. I don't know if you can tell how big they are. You can see the container is like 17 inches. Let's see, it's a big container. It says the lava lamp is 14.5 inches, so these are not toys. So I'm gonna have to bubble wrap and double box these guys, and hope for the best still, because USPS can still be a pain. Anyways, let's get into the box. This is from Robin because she shed. So like I said, it's been outside for a long time. I thought I did all of Robin's stuff that she gave me. But obviously she gave me another box that I didn't remember about. So let me get into it. There we go. Oh, the bag is filthy. Oh, maybe it did get a little bit of water damage on it. Oh, whatever. Let's see what's in this guy. Let me finish opening up the tape. If it wants me to. There we go. Like I said, I don't remember what's in here. People send me things all the time, and they're like, hey, you want to buy this? What's the price? Super cheap? Okay, I'm in. So, yeah. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, they're toys. I thought they were plush. This is a Series Alpha Star Wars toys. I don't even remember buying these toys, to be honest with you. We have Lost in Space. Okay. The button don't work. And 3-pack of Death Star Escape. That's Chewbacca and the Stormtroopers there. And we have this guy, Zephyram. Zephyram. It's a collector series edition. So, pretty cool. I had to look these guys up. And that is it for the box. we have a super quick video here. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get your listings up. Take care, guys. Sorry about the short video. I thought there was going to be a lot more in that package. Next week I'll make a longer video. Take care. Bye.